last.
Hey guys, you want to do a Bubble Monkeys video, Baba?
Yeah.
He doesn't say no, but he doesn't.
He just runs straight away. And he's back.
Seriously.
Dun, dun, dun.
By the way, it can go 35 miles per hour.
Wow, 35 miles per hour. It's
Zoom,
crazy.
zoom, zoom.
I love you. I don't want you in the video. I want your hand.
And definitely not Max's vlog.
So, what's the name of the park that we're going to?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
We call it the Lake Park.
The Lake Park. To the Lake Park.
I'm not there by the light bulb phase.
Get over here. There's a car pulling out. Okay, get on the sidewalk over here. Or in the park area. Just go to the park. This is a good place for this.
What's up, Baba?
But good can go now with a bad idea with Pebble. You know, last time when Pebble was running and you were on the skateboard, and police got stuck like you, and then she got hurt.
Yeah, I remember that.
Everybody,
Nice.
let's practice. I have an idea. I'm gonna go on the straight path super fast.
Super.
Can you put the camera at the car so
Yep.
they can see how fast it actually goes on straight?
Okay, here we go.
Oh, crazy. Look out for people, okay?
Wow. That's awesome.
Get over here, puppy.
Good puppy.
What was that?
Whoa. Don't drive through that. Is that slushy?
It's confetti.
Oh man. Dang old confetti.
I was like, what the?
Oh, that was crazy. The pink explosion. Whoa.
That was awesome. That was a cool donut, Max.
Dang.
Not too much in one spot. You don't want to mess up the grass.
That's digging.
That is digging.
Grass is regular right there. I
Yeah.
Need to get it. Before I...
That's awesome. You want to turn, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay. Hand her over. We got the bubbler at the controls now. Uh-oh.
Don't go insane, Gregor.
Yeah, you need to get out of insane mode. Bubba, don't go in insane mode. See, bad driving.
If I do that jump, I can go.
That was cool. Maybe this tree isn't the best jump. That branch seems to be in the way. But there were some good ones over there. Let's see it, monkey. Max, this opening is as big as my car, and you hit the tree. I'm impressed.
It's hard to drive it when you're going slow.
Then don't go slow.
Okay.
That was cool. Hey, Baba, you want to try to get a jump?
Oh, good recovery.
Whoa. That was a good one, Baba. Man, it's so hard to track.
I'm gonna do the jump myself.
Graceful.
Okay, get it, Baba.
Graceful.
Nice.
I found a log.
Okay, drive it over this way, Baba.
Okay,
Drive it over this way, Baba.
I'm just gonna break it, Gregor.
Yeah, you got it.
Can I try that?
Yeah, try that. That was a good jump, Baba. Good control. It's like driving in Just Cause, right?
You're supposed to hit that wall.
Try again. Take her around.
Got that chunk out of the way.
I'm never gonna get that jump.
I got it.
Yeah! That was a good one, but it went upside down.
It landed down.
Uh-oh.
That happened before. It's fixable.
Yeah, I know. The antenna came out.
We're gonna have to come here with Pepper next time.
Yeah, I bet Pepper would love
have
that.
her
She
chase the car.
she is missing out on some prime barking.
The GG Gorilla Glue.
Yeah, I think we need some lighter glue than Gorilla Glue. Like, super glue would be a little bit too much. I think hot glue would be the best choice for
Oh
that
yeah.
one. And hot glue is also non-conductive.
Because it's
Okay.
rubber.
Yep, because it's rubber.
Why do they call it glue if it's rubber? Why isn't it hot rubber?
It's basically what it is.
Whoa.
Seriously?
That was a huge flip.
Not broken. You want to go drive it over there?
No, over this way. Yeah, there's a dog.